Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In today's English session, we will do some grammar lessons. First, we will do grammar lesson 25, in which we will learn some question words who, what, where, which and when. Right? These all are question words and you all know that we use question words to ask questions. Then we will do one comprehension. First we will read one English prose, right? One paragraph, and then we will answer some questions based on that paragraph. So you pay attention, watch all videos properly and do all your work properly. Okay student? So let's start our today's English session. Students, open your grammar textbook, lesson number 25, page number 69. Who, what, where, which, when. Students, these all are question words. We use all these words to ask questions. Let's understand. Let's start. First, A. Read these pieces of conversation. Who is that boy? See here, this man is asking, who is that boy? So, this boy is telling, he is my cousin. So, here, who is used to ask about people. When we want to ask about some people, at that time we use who. Who is that boy? He is my cousin. Then see here. What is his name? Right? What is his name when we want to know something about someone? Right? Or we want to know about some objects. Here we want to know about someone's name. At that time we use what. What is his name? क्या नाम है उसका? His name is Vinny. Come and meet him. Right? This boy is introducing his friend that his name is Vinny. Come and meet him. Then third word, where. Where does he live? He lives next to our house. So here we used where to ask about place. Right? That where does he live? कहाँ रह रहा है वो? So he lives next to our house. ये boys बोल रहा है कि ये मेरे घर के पास ही रहता है. So here when we want to ask any about place, at that time we use the word where. W-H-E-R-E. Right? Then see here. I can see two cars over there. Two cars. Right? Which one is your father's? This man is asking that here there are two cars. Among these two cars, which one is your father's car? Right? So this boy is telling the black one. Right? So when we want to know about any object and when we want to use, at that time we use which. Right? When we want to know about some object or we want to ask about any objects, at that time also we use which. Then see here. It looks to be new. When did he buy it? Only last week. Here this man is asking that when did he buy it? Right? कब आपके पापा ने ये कार ली, buy की? मतलब he is asking time. So when we want to ask time, at that time we use when. Right? So here now you know that we used who to ask about people. We used what when we want to get some information about any object, right? Or any person. About that person or that object. If we want to know something, we use what. We use where when we want to ask about any place. We use which when we want to ask about some object, and we use when we want to ask about time. So today we will know about these 5 question words. See, who, what, where, which, when are question words. They help us to ask questions. So when we start any question, in starting we put these question words, and at the end what we keep? Question mark. So when we ask any questions, at the end we put question marks, right? So now let's start exercises. Okay, now again see in your grammar book lesson number 25, page number 69, exercise B. Tick the correct words in the brackets. First, what or when do you get up in the morning? So here, which question word you will select? What or when? Because do you get up in the morning means here they are asking us time. So when we want to ask time, we will use when. So when do you get up in the morning? Second, who or which is your class teacher? Correct. Who is your class teacher? We do not use which is your class teacher, right? Here we want to ask about person, people, that who is your class teacher? Third, what or which umbrella is yours? Which umbrella is yours? Correct. Who or which is standing at the door? Door के पास कौन खड़ा है? Who. Who is standing at the door? What, which is lying under the bed? Right? Here we are asking about the object, that what is lying under the bed? So here we will keep what. Okay, turn the page number 7070, here 6 number. Who or when is he? Here again we are asking about person. So who is he? Right? 7. What or which are you doing? We cannot say which are you doing. We always speak what are you doing? Right? आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? 8. Who or what is the tallest girl in the class? What is the tallest girl in the class? No. Who is the tallest girl in the class? 9. When, where do you live? Where do you live? Right? Here we are asking about the place. So we will not use when. When is used to ask about time. So here, where do you live? Then where, what is your school bag? Here we are asking कि school bag कहाँ पे है? So here we are asking about place. So we will use where. Where is your school bag? Correct? Okay. Okay students, now on page number 70, exercise C, fill in the blanks with who, which, what, when or where. Here we have to fill up all these blanks with these WH question words. Right? These all are WH question words because these all words start with WH. So we can call it WH questions. First, blank pen is yours. What we will say? Who pen is yours? No. Which pen is yours? Yes. Which pen is yours? इसमें से आपकी पेन कौन सी है? So, which pen is yours? Second, blank is your birthday. Who is your birthday? No. Which is your birthday? No. What is your birthday? No. When is your birthday? Birthday आपका कब है? ऐसा पूछे. So, when is your birthday? WHEN. Okay. Third, ब्लैंक डू यू प्ले इन द इवनिंग? शाम को आप कहाँ खेलते हो? वेयर डू यू प्ले? वी आर हियर आस्किंग अबाउट प्लेस, right? So we will write here where do you play in the evening? Okay, here we are asking about place. Blank teaches you dance. So we are asking who teaches you dance? आपको डांस कौन सिखाता है? Who teaches you dance? Always W capital, right? Blank do you have in your hand? आपके हाथ में क्या है? What do you have in your hand? WHAT. What do you have in your hand? Blank do you leave for school? School के लिए आप कब निकलते हो? Here also we are asking about time. So when do you leave for school? Right? Next. Blank gave you this beautiful camera. Who gave you this beautiful camera? Blank is in your pocket. What is in your pocket? आपके पॉकेट में क्या है? What is in your pocket? Blank dress do you like? Who dress do you like? No. We use who when we ask about any person or people. Here we are asking about dress. So, which dress do you like? कौन सा ड्रेस आपको पसंद है? एंड लास्ट, ब्लैंक डू यू पार्क योर कार एट नाइट? वेयर डू यू पार्क योर कार एट नाइट? वेयर डू यू पार्क योर कार एट नाइट? राइट, आपकी कार आप कहाँ पार्क करते हो रात में? सो दीज आर ब्लैंक विच वी हैव फिल्ड अप. स्टूडेंट्स, let's do one comprehension. Open your grammar textbook, lesson number 27, comprehension, page number 78. A. Read this passage about kangaroos. See, in comprehension, what we have to do here, you have given either one paragraph or one poem. Right? But here we have given one paragraph on kangaroo, about kangaroo. So first we will read this passage carefully and then here some questions are given. We will write the answers of this question. First, let's read this passage carefully. The kangaroo is found in Australia. It is nearly as tall as a man. Right? Where we found kangaroo? We found kangaroo in Australia. We find kangaroo in Australia and it is as tall as a man. Its front legs are very short. Right? Its front legs are very short. It does not use them for walking. See, they does not use them for walking. It is uses them to hold things. It also uses them to carry food to its mouth. Like our hand, they use these front legs to hold things and to carry food to its mouth. The kangaroo's hind legs are very long. Their hind legs means these are very long. It uses its hind legs to make long leaps. Right? To make long leaps, to do long jump, they use their hind legs. The kangaroo's tail is long, thick and strong. Its head is like that of a deer. Mother kangaroo has a pocket on its belly. Right? Mother kangaroo has a pocket on its belly. उसके पेट के ऊपर ऐसा एक पॉकेट बना होता है. This is where it carries its baby. वहाँ पे वो क्या रखते हैं? उसके बेबी को रखते हैं. Kangaroos like to eat grass and leaves. They do not eat meat, right? What do they eat? They eat grass and leaves only, and they do not eat meat. Now see, tick the correct option. A. The kangaroo's head is like that of a kangaroo का head कैसा होता है? Here we have read its head is like that of a deer. So here is the answer. So here option fox, dog, deer or rabbit. So deer is the correct answer. So we will tick the word deer. The kangaroo is found mostly in blank. Where we find kangaroo? New Zealand? No. South Africa? No. India? No. Australia. So tick Australia. Right? Now see. Now complete these sentences about kangaroos. The kangaroo's front legs are short, but it's blank. Now here we have to write but these are here they have told about front legs. So we have to write about their hind legs. So hind legs are very long. So we will write here but its hind legs are very long. Right? The kangaroo uses its front legs to blank and blank. See how they use their front legs. They use their front legs to find out where is their front legs. See, this is about their hind legs, right? And they use their front legs to hold things and carry food to its mouth. So first we will write here they uses their front legs to carry, to hold things, first we will write to hold things, and then carry food to its mouth. Carry food to its mouth. Full stop, right? Okay, C. It uses its hind legs to, why they use, for what they use their hind legs? See here given, the kangaroo, it uses its hind legs to make long leaps. So we will write here to make long leaps, right? Jump karna. Full stop is already given here, so we will not do. The kangaroo's tail is blank, blank and blank. So see, find out here. How is the kangaroo's tail? See, the kangaroo's tail is long, thick and strong. So here in one blank we will like long, thick and strong. Okay, E. The mother kangaroo has a blank on its belly. What mother kangaroo has? Mother kangaroo has a pocket, right? So mother kangaroo has a pocket on its belly. Kangaroos like to eat only blank and blank. What kangaroo like to eat? Grass and leaves. They like to eat only grass and leaves. What they do not eat? What they do not eat? Meat, right? So they do not eat meat. So these are some questions based on this comprehension we have to read it carefully and then we will answer like this whenever we get any comprehension like this.